In this video, we're going to solve this word problem. It's a mixture problem. How much water should be added to 1 gallon of pure antifreeze to obtain a solution or mixture that is 60% antifreeze? So when you're working a word problem like this, or any word problem, read it several times. You understand what they're asking for. In most cases, you'll select one variable, or in some cases, you could have 2 variables or more. Draw a picture or a diagram if you need to. And of course, eventually you'll have to use, or you probably be required to set up an equation, even though some of these may be solved without an equation. But in most cases, the instructor is going to ask you to solve it by using some type of equation. So you pick your variable. You want to know how much water should be added to this gallon of pure antifreeze to get a solution or mixture that's 60% antifreeze. So you pick a variable, x, y, doesn't matter, and let that equal to the amount of water in gallons that you'll need. And your setup could look something like this. So I let x equal the amount of water, this is in gallons, to be added. So we wind up with the 60% antifreeze. So picture a container here, and it's got 1 gallon of antifreeze. So in other words, 100%, because it's pure antifreeze. But we want to water it down. X will be the amount that we'll add to that. So we add X amount of water to this particular gallon. Say the gallon goes to this point right here. And then we add the water. So 60% of that I want it to be antifreeze. So that means if I multiply the amount of gallons here by 60%, which in decimal form is 0.60, I'm supposed to get what? So 0.6 or 0.60 of this quantity, x plus 1, is supposed to give me the amount of pure antifreeze. Well, that I already know. It's 1 gallon. So this has to equal to 1. All we got to do now is solve this equation. Multiply through by 0.6, so this will give me 0.6. I'll leave the 0 off here. 0.6x. 0.6 times 1 is 0.6, and that's equal to 1. Linear equation, solve for x. So I subtract 0.6 from both sides here. So I have then 1 minus 0.6, which would be 0.4, 4/10. Subtracting 0.6 from both sides here. And I solve for x by dividing both sides by 0.6. Cancel it over here. This will give me 0.6, or 0.4 rather, divided by 0.6. I can multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. This will give me 4 over 6. Reduce it. We get 2/3. So the amount of water that we need to add is 2/3 of a gallon. 2/3 of a gallon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.